Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you some most beautiful and attractive crochet shawls ideas, and I have put a number on screen. You can contact on this number to purchase these shawls, and you can book your customized order for any size and any color. This is a very beautiful shawl, simple pattern, and for pockets granny square pattern is used, as you can see, and this is made into contrasting color schemes, and this shawl is in adult medium size. You can make it in adult small size, or this can be made in adult large size as well. So you can book your customized order according to your own length and width requirement. So I hope you guys like this shawl idea, and after this shawl I would also show you some of the other works, and I will show you now a very beautiful pocket hood scarf. This one is a pocket hood scarf. This is in adult medium size with pockets on it, and you can see it from the back side as well. This one is also very beautiful and attractive. This is made in two different contrasting color schemes, but two yarns are used together to make it look like a multicolor yarn. So this is also giving very attractive and beautiful textured pattern, and these are pockets on it. You can make it without pockets if you know crochet work and you want to buy it, then you can contact on the number which is shown on the screen. So this is our pocket hood scarf. Now I am sharing with you a simple scarf which is in adult small size. As you can see, you can make it larger as well. If you know crochet work, you can also make them by yourself at home. You can take ideas from these type of videos about color schemes and about patterns. This is simple granny strip pattern. However, if you don't know crochet work at all, you can also give them a try by purchasing them online. Number is given on screen, so you can book your customized order as well. A very beautiful heavy tassel work is done on this beautiful scarf. This is also called muffler. So this can be used as wrap scarf as well. Different wearing styles can be adapted for these scarves. So now I would share with you another design. So this design is of pocket scarf. Previous one was simple and this one has pockets. You can also make the previous one with pockets if you are interested. So I will be sharing with you now the design with pockets, and very attractive and beautiful tassels are added in contrasting color schemes with two beads on it, and the same color is used for the pattern of granny strip, which is very light pink, and this one is made with two different contrasting color schemes, light pink and off white. So this is also adult small size design and can be made in other sizes as well. So I hope you guys like this design, and now I am sharing a larger size shawl. You can see its length and width is more than every previous design which I have shown in the video, and this one is 13.5 inches wide and its length is more than 70 inches. along with tassels. Very beautiful texture border pattern is added on both sides, and very attractive pattern of this shawl, which is very simple to make as well. So I hope you guys like all of the designs which I have shown in this video, and if you are interested to purchase them, you can just contact on this number which is available on screen, and I will put the number in description box as well. So now I am sharing with you the same design in another color. This is the same design as of previous shawl. This is just a bit longer than the previous one, with the same width and same pockets, and you can see tassels added on it as well. You can make these shawls without tassels, and if you want different changes and want to make them in different colors, you can make in contrasting color schemes as well. This is the back side of this shawl, so you can take an idea about the wrap coverage of this shawl as well. So give it a big thumbs up if you like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.